So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the hover effect in Figma. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here I have my components here, so I'll just repeat it on the side right here. So let's just move it to the side. So what you're gonna do basically is create your frame right here for your button, and then all you have to do right here is make another frame right here, so there. And then you're gonna have your text right here. So you have your button 1, and then you'll have to make your second component, which is gonna be your frame-ish thing, and then you'll have to make an outline for that. So let's make it like this. So let's just adjust it, and then all you have to do is duplicate this. So there you go. Now you have 2 buttons, so let's just rename the other one button 2. So there you go. From there, all we have to do is select this all, and then we go here. Oh no, it disappeared. So let's go here. Now it's component, and then let's just drag it right over here for a while. So here all you have to do is actually from there you'll have to drag this hug to the second button, and then you go to your prototype, and then here in interactions you're gonna do while hovering. So while hovering, and then you're gonna have to navigate to button 2, which is right here. And then from there all you have to do is go to your assets, go to your components, and drag it to your button frame, and tada, that's how you do it. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.